Bubbah.
Whoa, look at that big leaf. Wait a minute, how? Bubbah, are you pulling a big leaf? Oh my goodness, it must be leaf day. That's right, it's time to rake up these leaves. We're making a big pile of leaves. Oof, this is hard work. Keep going, we gotta get all these leaves raked into a pile. Almost done. And there is Bubbah on top of the dog, who is on top of our pile of leaves. We're gonna move them on to this tarp. Are you ready, Bubbah?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Time to move the leaves from our pile onto the tarp. One after the other, we are moving all the leaves onto the tarp. And then we're gonna pull it out to the road. Just a few more leaves. Let's grab them and throw them onto the tarp. Perfect. Bubbah wants to add just a few more leaves. Thank you, Bubbah. Here's our pile. Let's dump it right next to the road. And perfect. Bubbah wants to make one more little pile of leaves. That's a great pile, Bubbah. And now, Bubbah is ready for the truck to come. Bubbah waits. Do you see the truck? Yes! There it is! The truck is coming to pick up the leaves. The truck grabs those leaves. It's backing up, and it's going to drop them into another truck. Here it goes. Let's watch very closely. The truck's looking for the perfect spot to drop the leaves. I think it's gonna happen. Here it goes. Look at all those leaves dropping into the truck. Bubbah watches as the truck goes to another house. What a great leaf day. All right, Bubbah, it's time for bed. Bye-bye, Bubbah.